How to order Lyft ride for someone else. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can order your Lyft ride for someone else, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to order your Lyft ride for someone else, it is very simple. All you have to do is simply open up Lyft. Now you have to choose the pickup as well as a drop-off location, right? In your pickup location, you want to select the location of the person whom you want to be picked by the rider. So you don't want to enter your location, but the ones for whom you're booking it, and then the destination, of course, wherever you want to go. After you've selected your pickup and destination, here you can see all these sorts of options, right? Now you can choose to add a payment method and you can choose a schedule, but I'll just select my Lyft like this. Tap on select Lyft. Now what you want to do is here you'll find this option known as add a note for driver, and then here in this case you can just type in that this ride is actually for someone else and this is actually not for you. So you just want to enter the contact name as well as the number of the person that this person is going to be pick up. Here you can see you'll be picking up and you can just select this person's name, and then you can enter the phone number of the person. The rider will actually call that person, ask them where they are exactly in the location, and then they'll be able to pick each other up. So this way you can order a Lyft ride for someone else. Hope this video was very helpful. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.